Hi, let's welcome this new listing that bloomed for spring. Address 714 50th Avenue in the city of Columbia Heights. This home is offering 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen in the basement, and a brilliant backyard for the summer days to come. Come on, let's check it out. As you walk in, it's an open dining room, living room floor plan. Fall in love with this beautifully updated bedroom with a walk-in closet that really stretches out. Have fun in the sun with this outdoor gas grill that connects directly to the house with a backyard patio and a private yard.